Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can download and install the Audacity on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So the Audacity application, this is a free and open source digital audio editor and recording application software available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This is where you can edit, mix, and enhance your audio tracks with the power of the Audacity app. So how can we install that? Then let's go quick into the process. So let's bring up any of our favorite browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. So I'm going to bring up my Edge browser. Now here in the search bar, just type Audacity download. Then hit enter. Now you'll find the first option www.audacityteam.org. Download Audacity. This one. So you have to click on this. It's from www.audacityteam.org. Then here you have the download buttons. It could be for Windows, the Mac OS, and Linux. So we are going to download it for our Windows. So we have to click on this. Now download for Windows. This is the current version, which is 3.7.1. Now, depending on the architecture of your Windows, you have here Audacity installer, which is the recommended one. If you click on the download button, you will download the Muse Hub. So this is not recommended for me because if you're going to click on the download button, this will also download the Muse Hub, and there in the Muse Hub, you can download the Audacity. So you will download two applications. So I'm just going with the 64-bit installer, which is the architecture of my Windows. You can also go with the 32-bit installer. Then you just have to click on download. So here the installer file will be downloaded. Once done, double click and then close this window. English language is chosen by default, but you can also choose this into the language that you prefer. So there is a lot of languages right here. Then click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. So if you want to change the path, then you can just simply browse right here, but I'm going with it as it is. So I click on next. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut just to easily find the application, and then I'm going to click on next. Click on install. Once done, click on finish. And the Audacity application is installed in your Windows. Now let's confirm. In the Windows search bar, type here Audacity. Best match, go ahead and click on that. So here in the Audacity, you can edit, select, view, transport, tracks, generate, effect, analyze. Using all of these options right here, you can enjoy the Audacity application. So if you click on edit, then you can edit audio clips right here. You can also transport like playing, recording, scrubbing, tracks, generate, and the effect, of course, where you can put the volume and compression, fading, pitch and tempo, EQ and filters, noise removal and repair, delay and reverb, distortion and modulation, spectral tools, and legacy. You can also share audio right here. So once you have downloaded the Audacity application, then there you go, you can enjoy its feature. So I hope I've helped you on how you can download and install the Audacity on your Windows. So please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.